tougher one. How about Bugs Bunny? Coco, take a look at our audience today. What do you think? I agree, we do have a nice looking group here today. Now, I don't say this to all of my birds, but Poco, I love you.
I don't blame you.
What?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you, how rude. Poco, can you whistle us a tune? How about I Left My Heart in San Francisco? Very good. That'd be the condensed version. Now, here's one you all know. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a... How about how much is that doggy in the window? Can you do that one? Affectionately named them our penguin pigeons. Here they are one more time. Take a bow, guys. And that's all they do.